Hi friends, let's learn colors together. This is red. Can you say red? An apple is red. The strawberry is red. The tomato is red. A red pepper. A ladybug is red. This is yellow. Can you say yellow? The banana is yellow. A yellow mango. A yellow bird. The sun is yellow. A starfish is yellow. This is green. Can you say green? The broccoli is green. The grass is green. A turtle is green. This is a green apple. A tree is green. This is blue. Can you say blue? A blueberry is blue. This is a blue whale. Jeans are blue. The sky is blue. This is a blue bird. This is orange. Can you say orange? Orange is a color and also a fruit. A carrot is orange. A fox is orange. A pumpkin is orange. This is an orange fish. This is purple. Can you say purple? An eggplant is purple. Grapes are purple. The octopus is purple. This is a purple butterfly. This is pink. Can you say pink? A flamingo is pink. A donut is pink. An ice cream is pink. A flower is pink. Red. Yellow. Blue. Green. Orange. Purple. Pink.